Hey guys, welcome back to today's YouTube video. Today, I'm alone again. Stella is on the couch watching TV. Today I'm gonna be making slime, but with this glue, and I don't know if this glue works to make slime, so we're gonna try it. I'm just mixing my activator. I spilled it all over this table. So this is my working space right here. Ignore the yogurt, the sour cream container, but I'm going to, if I can get it open. Okay, I'm just gonna you probably can't even see that. Oh my gosh. This really doesn't want to open. It's gonna be really difficult. Hold on. I'm going to just I don't want to get glue on me. Hold up. There's a cloth on the floor. I think I can glued it shut from my crafting. So if you haven't already, you should definitely go check out we're just gonna stick with this. You should definitely check out my Never Nails channel. It's Never Nails 2013. I think you should really go check that out because it's really cool. It's a bunch of nail art that I do. Some of them are bad, some of them are good because I'm still starting doing nails. But oh my gosh, bro! It doesn't want to open. It's gonna be a long process. Hold on, let me just finish this and then I'll let you know. Okay, I got the lid off. I had to run this part underwater, so I finally got the lid off. I didn't know if that was gonna work, but I guess it did. This is not gonna be a very big slime, but I might have some shaving cream that I could use. So I don't know. Hold up, I'm just trying to get it all out. Okay, when it's all out, I'll let you know. Okay, I think I got as much of the glue out as I could. I'm gonna go see if I can find the shaving cream. I'm gonna come. It was just hanging around in our craft area for a little bit, and then I don't actually know where it went. Oh, we should make it a buddy yellow. Hold on, I just found my paints. I don't know if that was a good view of my paints or not. Oh, I could do a purple or a better yellow, a spring yellow. Or we're doing a spring yellow. Hold on, if I could find that shaving cream, it'd be way cuter. But don't know if I don't really know where my shaving cream is. So this found it. Why is it in a bag? Hold on, let's do here. I don't know why they put it in a bag. Let's see, do I have any pretty glitter? Because I've got kind of some glitter. Got gold. I've also got this yellow, but I don't think that would be pretty. Okay. Hold on. And then I also have some charms in my room, and I might have some stars or something, or glitter. I don't know. Chunky glitter. Hold on. I have a little bag. Oh, that's pretty. I have a gold. And then I've got a bunch of charms and stuff. So we will, let's see. Okay. I don't even know if this is gonna make slime, so whatever. Okay, we've got the shaving cream. We're just gonna add that much. And I don't actually have a spoon, so we're stirring with the back of a paintbrush. Okay, Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of my paint. It smells like shaving cream now. That's how much I added. Not that much. So I hope that it makes like a really pretty color. I hope it doesn't make like a pea color. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Hold on. Okay, my best friend got me this necklace for my birthday. It's really pretty. Oh, it's also backwards. Hold up. So, yeah. Okay, kind of looks like whipped butter, but whatever. Okay, now I'm actually really scared to add the activator. Just gonna add like a finger. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more than that. I don't know if any of that got in here. It's activated. I was scared that it wouldn't activate because it's like, it looks like scrambled eggs. Okay, hold up. It's too much. Wait, it's like... Wait, I'm gonna play with the scrambled eggs. I don't think it's like completely ready, but it's not. It feels like actual scrambled eggs. Oh, I'd have to make it puffy. But like it's... Oh, frick, I got it on my pajamas. Whatever, slime washes out. Paint doesn't though. Whatever, it's fine. There's already like a bunch of other stains on it and stuff. I don't know if any of them are even... Hold up, I'm just like... This was going to be a video about adding weird things to slime, and then I just thought that I'd make like a cute slime. I don't know, like it's not really like cute though. Like it looks like scrambled eggs, but I kind of love it. Like it's a nice slime. But then it's also like not a nice slime. I don't know, I can't really make up my mind right now. It's like, I don't know. It's like not stretchy, and I like my slimes to be stretchier. Maybe it wasn't just like ready. Maybe it will be stretchier. Hold on. I think I might have a little bit more glue left. I don't know if I'm gonna need it. Let's see if it makes good pops. Hold up, I gotta make a pop. That was kind of good. Oh, this is a really, really nice slime. It's like a butter slime, kind of. No, it's not. Kind of. I mean, I don't actually know what this texture is called. If you know, let me know in the comments, because yeah, I've really got no clue what you'd call it. It's just like shaving cream. I don't know, like a shaving cream slime, but it's like a really nice slime. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can show you. Just bear with me. I'm gonna use this cloth that I found on the floor. Actually, this was a leather cloth, I think, because we were doing our saddles. I don't know if you guys know Boat We Western Ride. If you don't know that, that's surprising if you've been watching our channel for a while, because we are always talking about riding, I feel like. Can I activate? Whatever, it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna activate it like a little bit more, like such a tiny bit, like literally my fingertips. But this is a really nice slime. It's just so sticky. But it really, really, really reminds me of eggs. Okay, I feel like this is like amazing. The only bad thing is I don't have a container to put it in, so we might need to go find a container. So we can't use that container that I made it in because I don't have a lid for it. Sour cream container. Okay, now that I said that it looks like scrambled eggs, that's all I can think about. When I was like adding in the coloring, I was thinking that I didn't want it to look like pee because like that's gross. But now it's like it might be worse. It looks like scrambled eggs. But if I decorate enough with like cute little things, then I feel like it won't look like scrambled eggs anymore. So this is a really nice slime. I'm surprised that I could make it out of this glue. I think this is a dollar store glue. I don't know. So yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, I think it's a dollar store glue. So if you can find this glue and you can find shaving cream and paint and borax and water, then you should totally make this slime. It's pretty nice though. Okay, I don't know where to put this slime because I need to go find a container. So we'll just like let it sit there. It's kind of fun to play with. I don't really want to leave it. Okay. Hold up. We're going to do one more bubble and then I'm going to go find a container. Okay, that was interesting. Okay, I need to just activate it like a tad bit more. I think it's just sticking to the slime that's already on my hands. Oh no, I got it all on this cloth. No. This is not good. I need my, no, it's stealing my slime. Oh no! No! It's sticking to me now! Okay, where did it all go? Okay, here it is. Okay, I think it's kind of useless now. Okay, just going to clump this up and throw it out. I will be right back when I have a container. Okay, I'm back. I found a container, some glitter, and a scent. I'm going to just put a little bit of the scent because it's really strong. It's cotton candy. Okay, I just did 3 miniature drops. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like sweet. And I don't know if it smells like cotton candy, but it smells really good. It made it kind of rippy though. Whatever, it's fine. Okay, and I'm gonna add some of this pretty gold glitter. Ooh, that was a lot. This slime's not gonna look like that anymore. Oh frick, I just I don't actually know what I did. So here's what the slime looks like after I've tried my very best to mix in all the glitter, but I can't find it. I don't know where it went. Okay. I was trying to make this video a little bit shorter than what I normally make, but too late. So I could put because I've got these flake glitters, but I think that it would just be cute if I don't. So I have this gummy bear charm. I just went in my slime. I was not ready for him to go in there. Got this gummy bear charm. Just like pink, and I might have another gummy bear. Oh, I do. Oh gosh. He's not going in there. This is him when he comes out. So he is retiring. I'm going to put this like, no, I can't put half these because they're like fluffy. We're going to do this M&M. It's just like a green M&M. I also have this pink, orange M&M. And this little candy. And then like this one, and then I'm just gonna find like one big piece. It's either this one or this one. I think this one's cuter. So, but I think it'll get stuck in the grooves. Hold on, we're gonna do a test. So this one, when I just like swirl it, it gets stuck in the grooves. Like that is our turn, but then when I like I can take it off kind of easy. So yeah. Then this one, when I like bury it, they're both kind of bad at getting buried, but I mean, I'm gonna pick this one because it was a lot easier to clean off, and considering that this one's not even done cleaning. Okay, now this is the container that I found, and I think it's gonna be too small for all this slime, but we're gonna try. Okay, well this is interesting, because like it didn't go to like this part. Oh no. Oh no. Get down there, please. Okay, wait, maybe I'll just like let this settle while I go put a bunch of stuff away. And then, okay, I'm gonna go let that settle while I like go clean up that and then my space, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's settled out, so now I need to take off like the extra. Oh yeah, I'm back. I cleaned up my space. Okay, this is all the extra slime. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll probably make a separate video on adding random things to slime, because I was really ready for this anyway. We're going to go with one, then the M&M, then the other M&M, then we're only going to do one candy. So then I'm going to do the blue one, and then like that kinda. It's just like sinking in. We're going to switch like to that. Then we're gonna take it out, because now I know that that is the amount that fits in the container. There is a couple of the charms in here. I don't know if you can really see them when I'm playing with it, but there's one right there. Pretty fun. If you want the slime recipe, let me know down below in the comments. So, yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Bye.